Hello and welcome. Welcome to the pet room. My next mission, should I choose to accept it, is to rescue the most vintage, oldest pet that I have, as far as I know. It's way up there. It's a blue bezel, Checklet keyboard with a data set thing that I've never had before. And I think I can get it, but I'm not sure. I have moved some stuff. I certainly don't want to drop it. I'm going to turn this chair so I can have a landing spot for it, assuming I can get it. Okay. I suppose I could have a temporary landing spot here. The cord is wrapped around it. Whew. There's lots of stuff in front. I think I can do this successfully. Oh yeah. Okay. Gentle. Tilt. Oh. Holy mama. That is heavy. Okay. Okay. Did I hurt anything here? I don't think I hurt anything. Perhaps myself. I'm going to look inside. Okay. Ow. It's down. The eagle has landed. Okay. That went much better than I thought it would. Maybe it's because I kind of scouted it out a bit. All right. So. All right. I'm going to move some stuff here. As happens. I have some bags. What is that? Bag of parts. Bag of screws. Bags. Oh, here's my thing. Remember, I needed to get a new tube, or as they called it, a straw for my deoxit. It did come, and it did seem to be better. All right, we'll put the data set down. And we'll move essential things here and there, and there, and here. All right, twist these a little. All right. All right, so that is down. I'll take out this tape, which is test programs, which I think require a strange contraption that I have never seen. I don't know if anyone has ever seen. Now, excuse me. Oh no, I cannot do bad things here. I mean, I can do bad things. I'm going to do my best not to do bad things. I've got to trace this cord, because even though there's been no board in this, I have been using it to test things, and it might, in fact, be plugged in. And indeed, I believe it is. But I gotta be careful to do no harm. Okay. We are getting there. We are getting there. Alright. Cord around the top. Now, I don't really think I want to put it back up there, or this one up there at all. But it might not be a bad thing. It might not. Maybe, possibly. I'll try to put this pet right here. The table is perhaps not deep enough, but maybe, possibly. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Maybe it will be okay. Maybe, possibly. Oh, I think enough of it. We'll sit on here. Okay. All right. All right, it's funny. Before, I know one of these microphones is missing its little thing. And I've been harboring it here. There. I'll put that on. Okay. So this pet here can now come up off the chair. Okay. And on to the table. Indeed, I believe it to be the oldest. I suppose. I suppose I could take a moment to look at the number on the back. I could. I have not really done that with others, but I could. And it is very hard to see. Very hard to see. But now that I'm in. So, it says, oh no you don't. Alright, I'm gonna swing this a little more here onto the table. It says 0029649. Okay. And it's in pretty good shape. But I know from when I first got it, it has issues. Oh, you know what I think's happened? Oh dear. I do believe that the shaking of the table has adjusted the phone that I'm recording on. Sorry about that. All right, I'm going to undo the cord. I'm going to lift up the cover of this fine machine. I'm going to look inside. And I suppose at this moment this would be a good time to I think it's a good time to stop and then have a little better look-see inside here. So thanks for coming to the pet room. I've been thinking about getting this machine down for a very long time, but I haven't done it until today. So thanks for coming to the pet room. Stay tuned for the diagnostics, assessments, testing, tinkering, etc., etc., etc. Bye for now.